Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. Ever want to get rid of a program by uninstalling it? Well, here's an easy way to do it. All you have to do is just hold down your Windows key. It's this little key here in the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard, and then at the same time, hold down X. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that now. You're going to see a little menu pop up, and then all you got to do is click right here at the top where it says Installed Apps. That'll give you a list of your installed applications. And if you left click on the three dots to the right of whatever installed application you want to get rid of, it'll give you the option to modify or uninstall that program. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PC Perfect for 10% off your first visit.